In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger an N8N workflow directly from Telegram. By the end, you'll be able to send a message to your Telegram bot and automatically kick off any automation you've built in N8N. We'll begin by creating a Telegram bot. Open Telegram and search for bot father. Start a chat and type new bot. Then follow the prompts to choose a name and a unique username. When you finish, Telegram will provide a bot token. Copy that token and keep it safe. You'll need it in N8N, and you should never share it publicly. Now switch to your N8N dashboard and create a new workflow. Add a webhook node. Set the HTTP method to post, and choose a simple path such as Telegram trigger. This path will become part of the URL that Telegram sends messages to. Save the workflow so your webhook URL is ready. Next, let's connect Telegram to this webhook. In your browser, open the Telegram API URL to set the webhook. Use this format: https api.telegram.org bot your bot token set webhook URL your N8N domain. Webhook Telegram trigger. Replace the placeholders with your actual bot token and your public N8N domain. Press enter. If it returns true, Telegram is now pointing to your N8N webhook. Quick tip: make sure your N8N instance is accessible over HTTPS, or Telegram won't be able to reach it. Time to test. Go back to Telegram and send a message to your bot. In N8N, click Execute Workflow on the webhook node so it's listening for incoming requests. You should see the data arrive instantly. Telegram sends a JSON payload that includes the chat ID, the sender's username, and the message text. Everything you need to route and respond. Let's send a reply from N8N. Add an HTTP request node and set the method to post. For the URL, use http api.telegram.org/bot your bot token send message. In the body, add two fields: chat ID and text. Map chat ID from the webhook data so your reply goes back to the correct conversation, and write the text you want the bot to send. This simple setup creates a full request response loop. Activate your workflow. Now send another message to your Telegram bot. You should instantly receive an automatic reply confirming everything is wired correctly. And that's it. You've successfully triggered N8N from Telegram. From here, you can connect virtually anything: AI agents, Google Sheets, email alerts, social media posting, or even full content automation systems. Just send a message and let N8N do the rest.